up, guys? It's David, Willow Branch Farms. Winter has officially arrived. Cows have got sleet and freezing rain on their backs. It's the first official winter storm I guess we've had in 2026. Started off as snow this morning, it's turned into sleet. It's supposed to turn into freezing rain here later. I'm not looking forward to that. I hope we don't get a lot of freezing rain, but saying we can get up to a half an inch, maybe more, of freezing rain. Right now it's just sleet. It's bouncing right off my jacket, but hope y'all are staying safe and warm because it's cold. It was probably my last day of duck season today because it's probably gonna be froze up all next week, so might have been it today, but heck, it was 12 degrees this morning. I think we'll go ahead and plug up these heaters in these tanks because it's supposed to get down to single digits, maybe around 0. I tried to be prepared as I can. I drained my water hoses. I put my water hoses up against there drained. I got my plug-ins and stuff where I can get to them pretty easily. So. Plug these up real quick. Put out a few bales of hay. Everybody's doing good so far. I got me a couple of the new automatic gate openers. Here they are. It's the gate openers. See? Goats don't like the snow, do you? Can't blame you. Pretty, but it's kind of a hindrance, pain in the butt, you know. What's it doing around your house? Y'all getting snow? What's going on? I just saw on my phone we're under an ice storm warning. Not good. I remember I was still in high school, but we had an ice storm back in '94. I don't remember how long the power was off, but it was a while. But back then I didn't have cell phones, didn't have a bunch of video games, so I'm sure we played board games. We figured out something to do. But I don't want a lot of trees snapping, poles snapping, you know, that kind of stuff. Like I said, it's not just the snow, it's gonna get cold. 20s for the highs, teens for the lows. I think we got down to almost 0, so it's not going anywhere. I guess if we look at the bright side of things, we are in a drought. When all this snow and ice melts, that should help with the drought. You always got to look for the positive in things. Like the positive is the air conditioner works really good in this tractor, and I love that during the summer, but the heat don't work, as you can see by my breath. Let's get this hay to the horses. One could really get used to this hole not having to get out 100 times and open gates. It's pretty nice. My gate openers are working on it right now. Worst part about it, I think tomorrow's supposed to be the worst day with the freezing rain and all that jazz. My wife works for the hospital. Hospital don't shut down. So we gotta try to make it out there. We'll either make it or we won't. I don't mind snow. I drive on snow all day long, but freezing rain and all that, I'm not a fan of it. We have square bales for the horses, but I like to keep them a round bale out here so they can eat it however much they want. Old Buttercup. Let her out, she came running. I don't know if I already said, but I started thinking the other night when I was over here, I got some of them hay bales out from underneath that tarp and I put them under the shed where my baler and my trailer is. I was afraid if we got a lot of freezing rain on that tarp, it's already heavy enough. I wasn't sure I'd be able to get it unstuck and get the hay out, so I was trying to think ahead. Put those bales in there, worked out good. That's it. When you know the storm's coming, you got to try to prepare. Ponds are froze. That pond down there. One little spot still unfroze. That's one thing that worries me about the power going off. The power goes off, I've got propane fireplaces and stuff, but my water tanks over here, I wouldn't be able to keep them unfroze if the power goes off without maybe a generator. Guess we just have to get the sledgehammer, go down there, break open the pond for them. Picked up a hitchhiker. I forgot the goats are divas. They don't want to go out in the snow. Cows could care less. They're standing out there with their backs covered in it, but not the goats. Have to bring them water. They get special treatment. Let's see how the babies are doing. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Kind of wanted to pop in, say hi, let you know how the storm's going, check in on everybody, see how y'all are doing. Hope you stay safe. Hope the electricity doesn't go out. Hope you stay warm. Everybody drive careful if you got to be out. Before I sign off though, I'm gonna go home and I'll show you one thing.
I lost my tooth.
Who come to see you?
The Tooth Fairy. I got Pez, I got $2, and I got a new Minecraft toothbrush. See you next time on Little Branch Farm.